A northern hawk owl, one of the most difficult birds to find in North America, plucks a rodent out of a snowstorm west of Ottawa. There's some amazing information in that sequence when we slow it down. The mouse makes an exposed move and the hawk owl strikes. The prey struggles, may even bite at the owl, but the owl reaches back and delivers that specialized twisting bite that separates the cervical vertebrae. It vanishes into the snowstorm. Finding this mythical owl of the far taiga exhausted a lifetime's good luck filming wildlife. Recording its kill performance was beyond any expectation. Stunned and grateful, I packed up to leave. But the owl drifts again out of the snowstorm, takes a perch, scans, preens, glares at the camera. Then, minutes after swallowing the rodent, it shakes and coughs up the remains, the indigestible hair and bones, in a pellet called a bolus. A real citizen scientist would have searched out the bolus, placed it in a museum collection, or analyzed its content. But we know the content because we watched the owl take the mouse.